How to disable Utility Manager, Windows key plus U. How do I disable the Windows plus U hotkey in Windows XP? Alternatively, how do I stop the Utility Manager from being active? The two are related. The Utility Manager is currently providing a potential security hole and I need to remove it. The system I'm developing uses a custom Gina to log in and start a custom shell. This removes most Windows key hotkeys, but the Win plus U still pops up the Manager app. Update. Things I've tried and don't work. No Winkeys registry setting, this only affects Explorer hotkeys. Renaming utilman.exe, program reappears next login. Third-party software, not really an option. These machines are audited by the clients and additional, third-party software would be unlikely to be accepted. Also, the ProEdger needs to be reasonably straightforward. This has to be done by field service engineers to existing machines currently in Russia, Holland, France, Spain, Ireland and USA. 1. The whole is via the internet options in the help viewer the utility app links to.
I've experienced similar problems in the past. The best solution I have found is to alter the permissions of the utilman.exe so that no user has the rights to run it. Right-click, Properties, Security, Denial.
Utility Manager is located in the Windows /System32 directory. The file is utilman.exe. Just renaming the file to something else will stop it from being launched when Windows plus U is pressed.
In Utility Manager Properties I went to Security tab and disabled access to all users, for administrators as well, and after doing that it does not run.
You can try and disable the C:\Windows /System32 /utilman.exe and group policy under Computer Configuration /Windows Settings /Security Settings /Software Restriction Policies. Add a path rule to C:\Windows /System32 /utilman.exe and set it to disallowed.
Prevent the Utility Manager from running. There doesn't seem to be any documented way to disable the Win plus U keyboard shortcut short of completely turning the Win key off through the scancode map registry value. As a workaround you can override the Utility Manager executable. Log on with an administrator account, and open a command prompt. Type or paste the following command, and press enter. Changes are applied immediately. How it works. The Image File Execution Options registry key was designed, among other things, to automatically launch a debugger when an application starts. While the debugger would start the application and attach, you can specify just any executable which will be run instead, thus overriding the original one. What about Systray.x? It's a little stub program which was first introduced with Windows 95, and used to handle the system notification icons. It's not really used anymore in the newer Windows versions, and it was mostly kept for backward compatibility reasons. It has no user interface, and wouldn't do anything noticeable besides refreshing the notification area when started. Pros. Works regardless of the Windows edition installed, no system file or security permissions tweaking, no third-party software involved. References. How to turn off the Windows Update feature in Windows XP.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.